Hey, if you're watching this video, then you're probably looking to add WhatsApp into Google Authenticator. Unfortunately, this is impossible because WhatsApp has their own two-step verification process that is exclusive to WhatsApp. So by enabling the two-step verification process, you can prevent people from impersonating as yourself. So if you're looking to add more security, keep watching the video. As you can see here, this is my screen. I'm going to click on the WhatsApp application here. And then on the top left here, you'll see that there's three dots right beside the camera icon. I want to click on settings. Then you want to click on account. You want to click on two-step verification here. And then you'll notice there's a message that says, for extra security, turn on two-step verification, which will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. So this will be specific to your PIN number. I want to click on turn on. The PIN number will be unique, so you will pick out a PIN number for yourself, and if anybody tries to access your phone number to make an account, they will have to use the PIN in order to gain access. So you can put whatever PIN number you want, and then on the next page you'll need to confirm it. And there's also another page where you will be given the option to add in your email address as well if you would like. And that's pretty much it for this demonstration. Like the video if this helps. Thanks for watching.